It is Steve, and today I've got an amazing routine with progressions with the ab wheel. One of the progressions I can't even do yet. Stick around. Hey elites, it is Steve, and today I've got a great routine with the ab wheel with progressions. Stick around to the end of the video. I can't even do one of the last progression. I'm going to do my best to show you what it is, but that's what I love about working out is I'm constantly challenging myself, and that's what's fun about it. It just continually changes every day. Before I start this video, I want to say thank you to all the views. I have received 8,000 views in less than a week and 29 new subscribers, so hello. In less than a week. That's never happened to this channel. The channel has hit 60,000 views. 60K. We're at 270 subs. So if you like this video and if you decide to subscribe, please subscribe. On this video, let's try to get 20 thumbs up on this one. And let's get into it. So ab wheel, if you have not seen it, I do have a video on the ab wheel that I've done a while ago. So check that one out. I'll post it right here. And like always, when I use a piece of equipment, I will put a link below where you can purchase this, this ab wheel. Alright, so here we go. When working with the ab wheel, there's some progressions to this. The first progression, well, the first number one is your feet will be anchored to the floor when you kind of do this movement. So you're going to come in and say you are feet anchored, you are about right there, and that's the best that you can do. That's okay. Just pull it back. Try to get to the point where you can do 10 to 12 of those movements just like this and coming back, and you can do that, you know, two sets of that. What you want to do is, though, when you're doing this movement, you have the opportunity to really squeeze your stomach, right? You squeeze your abs. When you do that, that can add a little bit more of a punch. Now, when say you're comfortable with this, because when you're doing the ab wheel, you have to be aware of your lower back. And some people who have tried this, you know, you can hurt yourself if you go too far out too quick. So just take your time with it, but challenge yourself. So if you get to the point where you can come out a little bit and your feet are anchored, now you go to the next step. So the next step would actually take your feet off the ground, go out to that point where, oh, that's all I can do, and come back and master that step. Get it to where you can do the 2 sets or even 3 sets of, say, 10 to 15 reps. And the thing is with the core, it can take a lot. So I work on core, you know, pretty much every time I work out. And you can do too. It's an amazing part of the body. It can take a lot of hits. So now what you want to do is, so after you've mastered, you've gone out, now you have your feet off the ground, now you can start doing an isometric hold. So now my feet are off the ground, out where I can go, and right there hold it. 1, 2, and bring it back. And you see, just by doing that isometric hold at the end, that completely changes the whole routine. And what you could do before easily is now hard. Now, let's show you some more progressions to this. So when you've mastered that and you feel more comfortable, now you want to do, see my feet are anchored to the ground, you want to go out and bring it back and go as far as you can, and then you can do the same thing. Now the feet are off the ground, you can go out and bring it back. I like to have the holds at the end, the isometric holds at the end, because that's what I'm used to doing, having that hold. But you can also, when you go out, you can have even more than a few seconds hold, 5, 10 second hold, whatever you want to do. You can do an exercise where you actually just challenge yourself, or if you're a trainer, your client, where you just come straight out, like that, and hold it as long as you can. And that's another great and fun exercise. Now, this next progression, this is tough. Not like the other ones weren't, but this is gets really hard, and I have a hard time with it. Now what you want to do, we want to do single leg. So what you have is, you have one leg out, down, but you're really much anchoring everything on this one leg here. And you're bringing it back. That's difficult for me. Try to do that. And the same thing, now we have an anchor. This leg would anchor. So just test your overall core on both sides. Ugh, that's hard. Now, the last one. I don't even have this down yet, but I'm going to show you. This is so difficult. But if you can do this, well, that's awesome. I'm not there yet, so watch. So, same thing, but the leg is out. So right here for me, the leg is out. Ugh, that's where I am on a single leg. And then on this side, legs out. I'll try, here we go. Oh, that side gives me more of a problem, but that's just the reality of training, man. You just do what you can, and I will continue to work on that, and I will get it down eventually where both sides can hold that. If you like this video, smash that like button. Let's try to hit 20 likes, and if you want to subscribe, thank you very much for subscribing. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Take care. Peace.